Hey guys, welcome back to another short video. Updates on Hurricane Irma. Let's get close and close. Let's see. So Hurricane Irma is gonna strike from here up to there, and girlfriend, let's go to red. Let's take this red. Okay. Oh no, yes. Yes. What do we need to do? So I'm gonna go like that. Impacting now. So this red part goes from there. And there's a possibility that Hurricane José might strike us when Hurricane Irma is done, or go like a U or something like that, like up right there. I'm not sure, but please pray for us. This is so bad. Pray for us. Pray for everybody in Orlando, my friends, my cousin, everybody, and Florida and Orlando, and other cities in Florida. There's more cities, which is I think they are. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. This is just live updates if you live in Florida. I hope you guys enjoy this video. See you in the next vid. Make sure to like and subscribe, and peace.